And it's not just the personal losses that many have spoken of in our group, but there's climate change and continuing racism and injustice and the refugees and the suffering around the world that we also carry, the cultural anxiety. And in one way, we can live in denial about this, that it's not so, that we're exempt, that we can hide. And our culture is pretty good at that, I'm sorry to say. But there's another alternative. Zen Master Thich Nhat Hanh said, when the crowded Vietnamese refugee boats met with storms or pirates, if everyone panicked, all would be lost. But if even one person remained centered and calm on the boat, they showed the way for everyone else to survive. And so here we're given in community, in family, in our lives, joy and sorrow, birth and death. We're given the responsibility to hold ourselves in a web of love. And we become, guess who? As Miss Piggy would say, moi. We become that one person on the boat. And to do that is to become a bodhisattva, a being who turns the compass of their heart to the direction of compassion, to say, no matter what happens, even if the sun arises in the west, no matter the changes, I will bring compassion and care to alleviate suffering for the well-being of all who surround me. And we trust somehow that actually is important and meaningful, because it's easy to get lost in despair these days, you know. And somehow they actually want you to feel like you're powerless, and that, you know, the despair is kind of woven into the news narrative. But here's Mahatma Gandhi. When I despair, so if you despair, just know you have good company and common humanity here. Gandhi Ji also despairing. When I despair, I remember that all through history, the way of truth and love has always won. Yes, there have been murderers and tyrants, and for a time they can seem invincible, but in the end, they always fall. Think of it, always. And this gives heart from this timeless place when you quiet the mind and tend yourself to realize that there is a way you can live in this world and sow and plant seeds of beauty and stand up for what matters and tend your own life with its measure of tears and its beauty. That this is possible for you